heritage with accessibility. The Air Jordan 1 Mid Black and Varsity Red is a $135 standout that reinterprets MJ's iconic colorways. Merging elements from the Bred Toe, Gym Red, and Patent Bred releases, this SE model features red swooshes, patent leather overlays, and bold black-red blocking. It's designed for fans caught between classics, offering a versatile, stylish option without the steep price tag. While not a limited edition retro, it carries legacy weight with nods to the AJ1, AJ4, AJ6, AJ8, and AJ11. This mid doesn't aim to redefine sneaker history, but rather deliver a reliable, familiar aesthetic to everyday wearers. With its sensible execution and seasonless appeal, this release continues Jordan Brand's strategy of reworking classics for broader audiences. Expect a drop soon as Jordan Mid fans gear up for a nostalgic yet refreshed release.